The 7-in-1 kit is perfect for any wedding or event. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create all 7 of our most popular looks. Keep in mind, you can customize this with other fabrics and colors to create your own unique backdrop. The first step to creating these looks is, of course, setting up your backdrop using your Poly Premier. Our new Poly Stretch will also look great as a base layer as well. Then, using valance hangers, add a second drape support in front of your Poly Premier with all 8 of your sheer panels. If you are going to be using this kit outside, be sure to use base weights to ensure stability. The first look is, of course, leaving your kit just like this. For look number 2, gather all of your drape into the center and use a tie to secure it in place. For look number 3, instead of gathering all the drape to the center, swing all the drape to one side and tie it to your upright. For look number 4, gather your drape equally into 2 sections and tie off each section with a tie. For look number 5, do the same as the first 2, but gather your drape equally into 3 sections and secure each section off with a tie. You may have sections that are uneven. Use 4 panels in the middle and 2 on either side. Look number 6 is similar. Use 2 panels per section and create 4 bundles, evenly spaced, and tie them off. Look number 7 is the most complex. We are going to be making crosses with our sheer drape. First, start from one side of your upright. Skip the first panel and gather the next 2 panels to the side and secure them to your upright. Make sure they are underneath the first panel. Repeat the same process on the other side. You should have 4 panels left, 1 on either side and 2 in the center. Now, take one of your center panels and pair it with the outer panel on the opposite side. Repeat the process on the other side as well. And there you have it, all 7 of our 7-in-1 kit looks. Here's a quick tip. Grab some zip ties and pins to have in your toolbox to help enhance these looks. Also for sale in our store. You can dress these looks up in any way you want. Add flowers or lights. Achieving a beautiful event is easier than it looks. Thanks for watching!